Hey, what's up guys, B-Boy here, Tech, and in our last video, we've listed phones under 10,000 pesos, 20,000 pesos, and 30,000 pesos. In case you missed that video, we'll link it down below. Now in this video, we included the phones released this third quarter of the year. Now first on the list is the Realme 9i. Powered by Snapdragon 680, a 4G only phone, has 90Hz display, and a triple camera setup. Its battery capacity is at 5,000 mAh with 33 watts of fast charging. Realme 9i is priced at 11,999 pesos for the 6GB RAM with 128GB of storage combo, which supports expandable storage. Next, we have a sleek smartphone from HUAWEI, the Nova Y90. It also has the Snapdragon 680, 4G device as well, has 90Hz display, a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel sensor, then a 5,000 mAh battery with higher charging rate at 40 watts and supports supercharge feature. Huawei Nova Y90 is priced at 11,999 pesos with 8GB RAM plus 128GB of storage. Now, this one is powered by MediaTek chipset. The POCO M5 comes at 10,499 pesos for the 6GB storage plus 128GB combo expandable storage. We have a Helio G99 under the hood, has 90Hz display as well, a triple camera setup, and has a 5,000 mAh battery with only 18 watts of charging rate. The next phone on the list has the highest storage capacity among them, which is 256GB and it's expandable too. That's the 2022 Infinix Note 10 Pro. It's powered by Helio G95 chipset, 4G capable device, a 120Hz display, and a quad camera setup with 64-megapixel main sensor. The battery is 5,000 mAh and supports 33 watts of fast charging. The Infinix Note 10 Pro 2022 is currently selling for 9,799 pesos for the 8GB RAM plus 258GB of storage combo. Now here comes Xiaomi with the Redmi Note 11s that's got a 108-megapixel camera at the back. The device is powered by Helio G96 but limited to 4G. It boasts a crisp 90Hz AMOLED panel protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It also has a 5,000 mAh battery with supports for 33 watts fast charging. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s comes at 10,499 pesos for the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage combo. Kinda small storage, but it has a dedicated expansion via microSD. We got a price cut for the newest independent brand in the country. Specifically, it's the Narzo 50 5G. It's powered by the Dimensity 810 with 5G capability, a 90Hz display, and a dual rear camera with 48-megapixel main shooter. The battery is at 5,000 mAh with 33 watts fast charging. The Narzo 50 5G is currently selling for 11,999 with 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage and also expandable. Now another one from POCO is the M4 Pro 5G. Powered by the Dimensity 810, a 90Hz panel protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, a dual rear cameras, headlined by a 50-megapixel sensor. The battery is the same as the M5 with 5,000 mAh but with a higher charging rate at 33 watts. The POCO M4 Pro 5G is priced at 11,065 pesos for the 6GB variant with a 128GB storage. Another one from Infinix, but it's actually ZERO 5G. This one's got a fast LPDDR5 RAM powered by a Dimensity 900. It also has 120Hz display and a triple rear camera setup with a 48-megapixel main shooter. It also has a 5,000 mAh battery and a 33 watts charging rate. Infinix ZERO 5G is priced at 11,499 pesos for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB of storage combo with expandable storage. Yes, Cherry or Cherry Mobile is worth mentioning here as its Aqua SV 5G runs on the Dimensity 810 and it has a 90Hz AMOLED curved display, not to mention it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has a quad rear camera setup with 64-megapixel main camera and a battery capacity of 4,200 mAh that supports 30 watts charging rate. The Cherry Mobile Aqua SV 5G is priced at 11,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB variant. And down to the last one, we have the TECNO Pova 5G powered by the Dimensity 900, 120Hz display, and a triple rear camera setup with 50-megapixel primary sensor. It's got a whopping 6,000 mAh of battery that supports 18 watts charging rate. The TECNO Pova 5G is priced at 11,989 pesos for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage combo. And that wraps up this list. Half of the list are 4G smartphone whose strength vary in terms of chipset, design, cameras, and screen refresh rate. While the other half, we got some Dimensity powered devices that are all 5G capable. What is your favorite among the bunch? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get updated of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, or visit yucatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is B-Boy, and see you on our next video.